Okay guys, as you mount your camera now, you walk in. What we just need here is your eyes. Open your eyes wide. Then after that, you just walk out. Alright? Save the video to your gallery and head over to CapCut. Okay guys, click on CapCut. Click on new project now. You click on photos. We want to import our background that we want to use to workspace. Click on your background and drag it. But remember that we are creating eyes in the dark. After dragging it to come back, you are going to click it again to locate adjust so that we make the background to be dark. Click on adjust, locate brightness there, alright? Adjust it backward and make it dark. After that, you go and look for highlight, alright? We want to darken the background. Click on highlight, still drag it back. You click on shadow now, alright? Maybe you can reduce it to maybe about 30 or 25. After that, you mark on that good and go back. Look at it now, the background is dark already. Click on overlay. Click on overlay there, alright? But guys, at this point, like, comment and share this video so that YouTube will recommend it to other subscribers out there. What magic effect would you like us to create next? Drop them at the comment section. You might be lucky we pick yours. If you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more updates. All right. So at this point, we are coming back to the tutorial. Welcome back with me. So at this point, what we are going to be doing is to click on add overlay. Click on add overlay, then you import your video to workspace. This is your main video. Click it now, then you expound it to reveal this your two eyes. Reveal the two eyes. After revealing them, we are going to go click it to go and look for freeze. Let's freeze this part. All right, locate freeze, guys. Click on freeze now. Look at freeze there. Click it. Click on this one, the first one, and delete it. Click on the last part, still delete it. Then you come to this middle one. You want to click it now. Let us go and look for mask so that we mask out the part of the eyes we want to use. All right, so go and look for mask wherever mask. You look at mask, click on mask here. You click on circle. All right, so click on circle, decide on which of the eyes you want to use. I decide to use this right one. I feel this right one is better for me. Then you use this up arrow and the side one to crop that your right eyes. Do your cropping very perfectly so that your cropping will look good. All right, after the necessary cropping now, we are going to be marking on this good here because we have gotten what we want. So you mark on that good. This is the result here. Look at the eyes. So the next thing now is to click on the layer to drag it to cover the background. As you have dragged this one, go and drag it to the other side as well to cover the whole video. All right, make it align. After that, you are going to be coming back to click it and crop the eyes. You want to decide to put it anywhere you like, maybe inside the moon or anywhere. I decided to put my own inside the moon. After the cropping, the next thing is to add keyframe. Then you adjust it and use your hand to reveal it again. Reveal the eyes for the second time. It will now look as if the eyes is coming out from the moon. After revealing it, it is now time to move the eyes to whatever position you want. Anyhow you want the eyes to move, that is the next thing we are going to be doing now. Look at it. As you adjust the video, you can drag the eyes to any position you want to drag it. This part now depends on you. Look at what we have gotten so far. This is nice. So this part depends on you. You want to know the position you want the eyes to move. You know how scary the eye you want the eyes to be. So at this point, you are adjusting your video. You are moving your eyes to whatever position you want your eyes to move. All right, look at what I am doing. So follow the same example, then you will get the same result. Some of us don't like watching videos to the end. Okay, remember that when you are watching our videos, you are promoting us. Okay, all we need from you, we don't need any payment for what we are doing. All we ask you is just to watch our video. Help us watch our video to an extent. All right, don't be too in haste to leave. Help us to watch the video at least 5 minutes or more. Some of us will just make it maybe before we know you know it, but I want to assure you that there is still many things to take home from this video. So as you are adjusting the video and you are moving the eyes, the key is adding automatically. That is what you just need to do. Take time so that your video will play smoothly and play perfectly. All right, so look at it, look at what I am doing. So you do your own the same way. All right, move your video to whatever position you want to move it, like I am doing, so that your video will look good. If you have any question you want to ask us, feel free to ask your question anytime, any day, and we are going to attend to you. Okay, come out and ask your question. If you want anything from us, ask, we will do it for you. Then after the whole adjustment, now I decided to crumple the eyes so that when it plays to display, it will look as if that the eyes disappear. All right, so that is it. After this, now we are going to be playing the video from the beginning. This video is ready, guys. All you need to do now as you are playing it is to remember to add your sound effect, your light effect if the case may be. Then after adding all those things, you can now export your video to your gallery. But maybe out there you are saying, I don't know how to add the sound. Where do I get my sound? I want you to put me through. Don't worry. At the description of this video, my number is always there. DM me. Then I am going to put you through on how to add your necessary first. Then after that, the next thing now is to click on export. Then we export this video to our gallery. As you can see, that is exporting. Now this video I've installed in your gallery, guys. You can now share it to your social media handles. But guys, tell us what you feel, what you think about this video. Feel free to tell us your mind and tell us what magic effect you would like us to create next. Drop them at the comment section. You might be lucky we pick yours. If you love what we are doing, you love our videos, smash your like button. Okay, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more updates. Okay, remember to smash your notification bell so that YouTube will always notify you whenever we drop amazing tutorials. Guys, thank you for watching, guys. See you in our next video.